Okay, so far everything is coming together just the way that I wanted it to. So let's kind of turn her around a little bit. We got our side seams matching up, our balancing lines are looking good. And turn her around. So far we are looking the way we want to look. We've got the fullness that we want. And so far it's looking good to go into our next stage. If any adjustments you want to make now, you want to focus on the hem area. You want to make sure you get that nice and rounded and even. Also, you want to go back up here to the neckline. I think I actually want to lower that neckline just a little bit. This is going to be folded down. I'm just going to put some pins there so you get a better view of what this is going to look like. You will need to create a slash here in the middle to kind of separate that for your sweetheart neckline. And I'm just going to put a slash right down here, not too far in, but just enough so that it opens. And then I'm going to fold that down. And this is going to be my neckline area. I'll just fold it for now. So if you wanted that to be, so it's not as sweetheart as it can be, so if you wanted that to go down further, then you would have to go in and create additional lines. So you have to go into about the princess seam and then just come in a little bit further so that it had a more in-depth line. So I would probably like drop mines here in real, in full size form about 1 inch and start from the princess seam and go in just a little bit so the line there was a little bit more severe. So that's like one of the adjustments that I would make once it was put on here. Just pin it all around. But otherwise, aside from maybe the hem and maybe like very subtle adjustment, I'm very happy with the shape. It's not super tight and figure hugging, and because that's not the silhouette that I was going for. I wanted something a little bit more subtle and more to focus on the patterns that we worked on, the bodice and the skirt front and back. I wanted just to make sure I captured those silhouettes, so it's not so much about super tight fitted garments. So for lastly, in regards to putting on that panel train, it's going to be a different technique. I just wanted to show you where it would go. So it's going to go at the waist, and I'm just going to have it be pinned there for now. And you can sort of use this as a guide to see if you want to have that go out a little bit longer. For me, that's a good length. Again, because you're going to have that tool back there, it's not really, you know, that's not really the look I'm going for, to have like a sort of swooping train, but it's good enough for where I want to go. But again, if you wanted to add more, you're free to add more to your length. Okay, and that's what it looks like from about the side area. So yeah, this is it. This is our muslin mock-up. So we've done our patterns, we've done our muslin mock-up. So what we're going to focus on also is just some techniques that we're going to use in the finishing process of our dress. So right now we have our muslin mock-up. We're going to do whatever sort of adjustments we're going to make more for just like, instead of fit, we're just talking more just like streamlining it to look exactly the way we want it to look. So that is going to end it for our pattern making portion, and we're going to start moving towards more decorative and finishing touches and really trying to work our way to our final actual dress form. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more.